Hi there! You're early for the February birthday party celebration. Come on in, and I'll show you what I bought to get ready for the celebration. You can help me. I have Smiley balloons. I was thinking maybe the Smiley balloons would look good on the ceiling fan. And to go with the Smiley balloons, I have some yellow happy birthday balloons. Oh, you want to see the yellow happy birthday balloon? Okay. We have a few of those. And I have a very special surprise for the celebration. It's the biggest. So the theme of our February birthday is yellow. Happy February birthdays. Now remember, this February is a leap year. That means instead of only 28 days in February, we have 29. It's a leap year! Yay! Leap year. Happy February, 29 days. Ten Smiley balloons. 5 for this ceiling fan and 5 for the other ceiling. Balloon number 3. Smiley balloon number 4. Number 6, Smiley. Here we go. Number 7, Smiley balloon. Number 7. Balloons on the ceiling fan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy February birthdays. February birthdays. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Thanks for joining me so long.
Cha cha cha.